Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Happy to inform you all that now Medicine with Yugandhi is on web. So in this video we will be seeing about the features and the guidelines how to access our website. So just type as medicinewithyugandhi.com on the search bar, and here you can find the home Medicine with Yugandhi. Just click on that and it will guide you to a page like this, and you can find free medical courses, and here you can find the courses button, and if you scroll down you can find the course of the week, and below that you can find the courses that are available on our website, right? So before going into the courses pages, let me mention you some other pages that are available on our website. So if you click on this blog button, so it will take you to a page which appears like this. So here you can find some of the blog posts on anatomy. So if you wish to read the blog post on inguinal canal or else something, so for example if you click on this inguinal canal, it will again take you to the post page. So this is the post page. When you scroll down you can see here the inguinal canal with the featured images and some notes. So you can find here all things about the inguinal canal, and below that you could find the social icons like this where you can share this post on WhatsApp, else on Telegram or Facebook or Twitter or mails like that. Then coming back to the home page, so we have come back to the home page once again, and before going into the courses let me mention you about something like about Medicine with Yugandhi. If you click on this page you will be guided to a page like this where you can see our mission, our extraordinary experiences and our core values like that, and then here you can find the contact page. So it will take you to a page which appears like this, and if you wish to talk to us you can just click on this contact page and you can post the queries. And if you click on this courses button, it will take you to a page which appears like this. So here you can find the news feed option, so where all the updates about our website that is will be available on this news feed. Then when you scroll down here you can find the recently active members. So you can find totally how many members have registered in this web page, and you can also find your friends here. You can just find out our members who have accessed our website page and who have registered on our website. Then of course if you wish to go back to the feed page, you can just click on this logo button which appears on the left corner, and it will be taking you to the news feed page where you can see all the updates about our website, and even if any of the quizzes is updated here or any of the forum is taking place, or if any discussion is going on in our group, everything will be updated here in this news feed, and you can check, like or comment or anything here. If you wish to comment or if you wish to like, you can do that. So but everything should be a healthy conversation. Only medical related topics are to be discussed, and if the rules are violated then severe action will be taken. Then here you can find two important things I would like to say. Here you can find two menus. One is the sign up button and one is the sign in button. If you have already registered on our website, you can just click on the sign in button and it will be taking you to the page which appears like this. You can give your email address here and the password, and you can just log in. So you will be just logging into our website, and you will be getting all the access to our website, all the access and all the features. You will be getting access to all the features in our website. And if you have not yet registered, just click on the sign up button. Right, so click on the sign up button, it will take you to a page which appears like this. Just fill all the particulars and just create the account. Then you can come back and you can just sign in to access all the features. Then coming to the next thing, that is groups. So currently there is only one group available, that is first year MBBS students. If you wish to join, just give me a request. So even if you have not yet registered, this first year group will appear, but you cannot get through that, because you have to log in before you can get access to the website. So if you have already registered, you can just press continue with Google or continue with Facebook, else you can give the email address and give the password and you can just log in. I'm gonna log in now. See, I have logged in. If you wish to join in the first year MBBS students group, you can just give me a request, then you will be added. And coming to the next feature, so here you can see the dashboard. So on the dashboard will appear like this. You can see the courses that are available, then the discussion forums, then the social groups, what I have shown now that the first year MBBS groups, and all your activities on our website will be shown to you if you click this button. And here you can see the social groups. If you click through that, and it will be taking to you the page which appears like this, that first year MBBS students. Then coming back to the dashboard, so here you can see the discussion forums. So only if you have signed in, you can see the hidden forum and private forum. Unless that, you cannot see, you cannot get access to that. And of course, here is the public forum. Even unregistered members, they also can access this public forum. And here you can see this anatomy discussion forum. Then of course, if you click on the courses, you will be guided to a page which appears like this, all the courses that will be appearing on this page. And for example, if you, all the courses will be appearing on this page. For example, if you click on the embryology, so it will appear like this. I have already logged in, so that it appears like this. Let me show you if I have logged out, how will this page appear. So I am logging out now. So the page will be appearing like this, log into enroll. This course is absolutely free course. So if you log in, so again I'm continuing with the Google. So I have logged in. Once I log in, it will appear like this, start course. So if I press on that, then all these videos will be accessible. So whichever lecture videos you would like to watch, you can just click on that and you can start watching that. Then once if you have completed, you can just mark as complete. To know how much portions you have completed, you can just mark complete, and that will appear on your dashboard. Then coming back to the news feed, so on this, so we have completed about the dashboard. Coming to the next option, that is about my account. So if you click on this my account, the total number of courses you have logged in, that will appear here, and your profile photo will appear here. And you can even edit your profile, that is you can just edit your cover photo, and all your activities on our website that will be available on your timeline. So you can see what all the activities that you have carried in our website, then notifications, then the messages, and here you can see the connections. Coming about to the connections, so again I'm going to the newsfeed page. As I already said, here you can see the recently active members and the total members, total registered members on our website. So if you click on this button, it will be coming like this as connect. So if I click on this button, request will be sent to that particular person. If the person accepts your connection, you will be connected automatically to them, and you can just send the messages and you can share details with each of them. You can easily communicate with the friends of your colleges as well as from other colleges, and then you can find the forums. I hope that already I have mentioned about the forums, and this is all about the connections and groups. And that till now in our website only one group is available, that is first year MBBS. If you would like to join, just give a request. I'll be giving access to that group soon as much as possible. Then that's all about the features and features that are available. And here you can see all the privacy policy terms and conditions and disclaimers. And so if you wish to see the quizzes, just press on this continue button, And till now quizzes have been uploaded on abdomen and pelvis topic. So if you click on this button, so you'll be guided to a page like this, and you can find here the anatomy quiz and here the abdomen and pelvis quiz. So if you have already registered or logged in, you will be seeing this start quiz button. So if you click on that, you will be seeing this web page, and you can just attend the quiz. And if you need the quiz summary, you can just click on this button and you can review your leaderboard. Daily quizzes and discussions will be taking on our website. Stay connected to access to all the features available. So lecture videos for toughest topics and notes PDF will be available as soon as possible. Stay connected to access to all the features of our website. Thank you.